This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your license is active and you have credentials or ESET account access. Open the ESET NOD32 main window now, navigate straight to the Update tab and press Update Now. This triggers virus signature and program module checks. If you must update offline, prepare the ESET update package on another computer and copy it via USB. Once done, make sure the system clock is correct. Incorrect time blocks secure connections. This fast start gets you into the update flow immediately. Once the update begins, watch the progress bar and inspect module download lines for engine and signature packets. You need both to finish. If updates stall, switch the update server with an advanced update settings to default, a local mirror, or a custom HTTP/FTP endpoint. This often resolves latency. Make sure your proxy or firewall is permitting ESET update service traffic and that DNS resolves ESET servers. Also check that no other security tool is blocking connections. If so, temporarily finish by confirming the engine and virus database versions in the Update tab. If ESET requests a reboot, do it. Some module updates need a restart to apply. After reboot, run a quick or targeted scan to validate the update applied correctly. If updates still fail, reset update settings to defaults, re-enter credentials, or fall back to the offline update package you prepared earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: check the update log for error codes. They point to authentication, network, or server issues you can address directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.